there, it's Laura from MakeLifeLovely.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious chocolate Andes Mint cookies. I've made these cookies every year for Christmas for decades, and I learned how to make them from my mom, who made them every year for us growing up. Add 3/4 cups butter, 1.5 cups brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water to a small saucepan. Stir the ingredients together on low heat until just melted. Now add 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips and stir until partially melted. Remove them from the heat and then keep stirring until the chocolate is melted completely. Pour this mixture into a large bowl. I like to use my KitchenAid, and let it sit for 10 minutes until it cools slightly. Beat in 2 eggs, one at a time. Add 2.5 cups of flour, 1.25 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix the dough just until blended, and then let it chill in the fridge for an hour. While the dough is chilling, take the wrappers off of 2 boxes of Andes mints, or about 48 mints. Then place the mints in a bowl to use later. Heat your oven to 350 degrees and place a piece of foil or parchment paper on a baking sheet. Once your dough is chilled for an hour, roll the chocolate dough into balls and place them on the baking sheet. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies are out of the oven, place 1 Andes mint on top of each cookie. Let the mint sit on the cookies for a minute or 2 so they can melt, and then gently smooth and swirl the chocolate around in a circle on top of the cookie. I like to keep my cookies just with the swirled mint on top, but you can also add a pecan to the top of each cookie if you like my mom does. Remove the cookies from the hot baking sheet with a spatula and let them cool on cooling racks or a piece of wax paper. We love these chocolate Andes Mint cookies so much, and they're a hit at every Christmas party we take them to. It just doesn't feel like Christmas without these cookies. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials.